Hello everyone, welcome to the Isaac Aaron Media behind the scenes video collection for your eyeballs.
Ew.
Was that formal enough for you?
He doesn't get it. PR Man, we're doing another PR Man and it's so fun. Our client is really cool. They let us do all these wacky, crazy ideas that we like come up with. And
so in our studio now we have to build out a kitchen because we have some interesting requirements in the script that we don't really want to find a house and destroy somebody's house.
apparently Isaac is going to build a wall.
Yeah. So today we're filming the PR Plumbing Quiet Cool script. We always have a lot of fun with this character and this concept because it lets us get real creative and get outside the box and do some fun stuff.
Jennifer Sanders, and I am here playing the mom role.
And I'm Jesse Lee. I play the father.
I did theater in college, and lately mostly commercials and a couple of stills.
Most of the roles I get are like drug dealers, killers, crazy dads.
Okay, you guys, let's block this.
Yeah, same position. Yeah. Actually, the kids are going to be in the chair.
Maybe we should move her chair closer to him. We also have a really awesome crew, so it's always fun to get to work with our team on these bigger productions where everybody gets to come out and work together. Usually we're kind of segmented in 1 to 2, possibly 3-man crews, but there's actually going to be a big number of us there to shoot.
Everybody's doing great. The energy level's high. Everybody's loving it. It's a lot of fun. So far we've had some dry ice, which is always cool. A little bit of special effects. We're gonna do some more special effects later. Ooh, that stuff is cold. Wow, it's like burning me. My favorite part is always watching that little red dot blink, knowing that we're getting footage in the camera. Action.
My experience today was great cast to work with. It was just a fun script. It was relaxing and just had fun getting to know everybody else.
My experience was great. It was amazing. I experienced a lot of things at the set and met a lot of good people.
My experience was incredible. Even the parts where I had to get sprayed in the face with a water bottle was awesome. Everything today was a blast.
My experience today with Isaac Aaron Media was fantastic. Good cast, good crew, nice family for the most part.
He dropped it out of the camera. Can we slow that down? It's been returned to its rightful place.
We had a custom